Well, what a beautiful surprise. I'm currently joined by Indian Ocean lead singer Mr. Rahul Ram, who is here protesting with the other citizens here at Jantar Mantar against air pollution. Sir, you sang a beautiful song. It was quite a metaphor, to the pollution crisis. If you could just share two lines on it.
पल पल पोल्यूशन में हम रहते हैं, लंग्स में लग गई जंग, ये कहते हैं पल पल पोल्यूशन में हम रहते हैं.
It's a much needed satire, but it has huge health impact on people, women, elderly. Sir, have you been living in Delhi?
Born and brought up. I've been living in Delhi all my life, except for a few years when I was outside studying. You know, we used to have fog in winter, not smog. November was one of the most beautiful months. I'm a toxicologist actually by training, so I know a little bit about this. I've been talking to other toxicologists, and it is amazing that you can live in a city where it says AQI 380, no air health warning. What is this? You know, other cities, other countries think you're saying that I am better than Navyar Vishwa Guru. किस बात में? अगर आपको इस AQI में आप शट डाउन नहीं करते हैं सिटी को, it is a, in Europe they would freak. You are trying to compare yourself to the developed countries. इस मामले में तो मत करो भाई. और जब तक ये रहेगा, और उल्टा क्या है, दादागिरी है. That sometimes, I remember there was a test match here a few years ago and the visiting team said, we find it difficult to breathe. They were ridiculed by the Indian cricket team, saying, hey, almost like, oh, you're a wuss, you can't take it. Like we are proud of this AQI.
Immune to tackle this pollution crisis on a day-to-day basis. But sir, how important do you think it is it's for the people of this city to be awakened to this crisis, to express their displeasure with how the government is handling the situation and creatively express and protest against this crisis? Because everything boils down to an issue being a poll issue, how emotive an issue is. And do you think that the citizens also have to make this a bigger cause that the government cannot afford to ignore?
Yeah, the government listens when citizens speak, okay? I have an issue with richer Delhi wale because they seem to think that their cars do not cause pollution. The number of arguments I've had with people who think, no, vehicles cause nothing. Really? Oh, it's all those farmers in Punjab. Really? In May, when your AQI is over 100, there are no fires in Punjab. Okay? Then people turn around and say, oh, look, in monsoon, the weather is nice, the AQI is low, there's still the same number of cars. Fundamental lack of understanding कि situation ऐसा कैसे होता है, why the problem is there in winters and why we as citizens also need to contribute towards lowering the amount of emissions. Look at this madness with firecrackers, for example. Firecrackers now has become a religious issue. अरे firecracker का कोई धर्म होता है? हाँ? रूलिंग पार्टी का आदमी कह रहा है मजा आ गया, दिल्ली में firecrackers बजे हैं, AQI 1000 क्रॉस कर. Indian government has reduced their AQI measurement to 500. They've capped it. क्यों भाई? डर आता है क्या? डर लगता है कि इससे ऊपर डेली आएगा? बता तो दो कितना खराब है. क्यों नहीं बता रहे हैं आप?
Sir, also, you're the lead singer of Indian Ocean, one of my most favorite bands, and we understand that the PM 2.5 particulate matter, these toxic, the pollution, how it affects one's throat, one's respiratory system. As a singer, sir, how does it affect you personally? Your health, your throat, your craft. How does the pollution affect?
Oh, it definitely affects. I mean, I had such a bad throat. It took me. ये छिला ही रहेगा गला ना. And I hate to say this, but I was touring the US for a month in April, May. And both me and Himanshu, our throats were perfect. We had no problem. And we were talking about it that, we just, otherwise almost at every show, यार आज गले में ये प्रॉब्लम है, गले में प्रॉब्लम है, खराश है, ये है, वो है. It's tough, man. It's tough being a singer, and Delhi में concert outdoor in winters is like it's like running a marathon. Yeah.
So thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. Just 2 more lines on that satirical song that you sung for the protesters here. It was inspiring and awakening for most people.
मैं सांस लेता हूँ तो खांसी आती है, पहले मैं रोता था अब हंसी आती है, मैं अस्थमा की नाली में खुल के बहता हूँ, पल पल पोल्यूशन में मैं रहता हूँ.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rahul. I just spoke to one of my most favorite singers, and it is sad that what he sung, it's quite eye-opening. It is about how the toxic pollution in the national capital continues to affect the health of millions of people, particularly women, mothers, and the young people and the senior citizens mostly. And it's refreshing to see a peaceful, entertaining musical protest taking place here at Jantar Mantar with a large crowd coming here and standing in solidarity, demanding the government for better solution, demanding their right to clean air, their right to breathe clean air. It's something as basic, as fundamental as this, which the people of this city have been protesting for the last couple of days. We will have to wait and watch how the government tackles this pollution crisis. Will the central government wake up and take and acknowledge the seriousness of this air emergency? And if they do, what solutions lie ahead of us? With camera person Sanjay Kaushik, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.